We could use another person at check-in during peak hours. Please move the hot dog cart away from the main water slide. Also, please have water slide staff keep an eye out for children who just ate. When anyone gets sick in there, 3 or 4 people have to go through it before we know about it. It would be nice if we had a way to give more detailed information anonymously. Maybe private meeting time with management? Need more security at the south gate. Music in the reptile house keeps slowing down or reversing. It's very annoying. Please tell the mascots not to try eating in their costumes. We keep getting one in with food all over its face, and we think someone's trying to be funny. The mouth opening is mesh, so eating isn't even possible. Please fix the music in the reptile house. It's still driving me up the wall. Guests are complaining about the amount of towels in their rooms. Need a better or newer coffee machine for the break room. I wasn't going to say anything because I'm pretty tolerant, but please stop admitting children without faces. They won't stay in the guest areas. The common area could use a bigger selection of DVDs and games. The collection is already getting stale. Still need security at the south gate. What's cheaper, having a staffer pass by once in a while or painting over all the vandalism? South gate needs more security. What are we doing about the profanities at the employee exit? Send security there more times in the day or whatever. Don't feel safe leaving the south gate at the end of the shift. Frank is cheating at solitaire when he thinks I'm not watching. Please do something about this immediately. Tell the mascots to stay out of where they don't belong. One of them keeps turning off the music in the reptile house. Can't tell who because of the suit. Have a meeting or something. Please give the mascots more break time or allow them to take short breathers during work hours. Sweat and body odor are one thing, but now we keep getting the same suit full of vomit. Stop Frank, he's a menace! It's now spread to Sudoku. I'm not making this up! Sorry to write down on a napkin, but we need more suggestion cards or else somebody is stealing them all. Stop the fucking music. I swear, all these blank kids are getting into everything. Every time I kill one of them, the others just misbehave more. I keep finding them in piles at the bottom of the stairways and I think it's funny. It's not funny. I can't get through. We need more suggestion cards. We received a mascot suit with paint on its gloves. Someone took it to the south gate and the color matches what the vandal is using. Might be worth looking into. Also, where are the cards? Costume sticking to the sores. It's too hard to write with this gloves hot. Thanks for the suggestion cards. Finally! What are we doing about staffing check-in and peak hours? One more time, sorry for the napkin. We're out of cards again. One of the mascots cornered me in the supply closet and grabbed my breasts. I told Michael Sheehan about it, but I don't think he's going to do anything because I don't know who was in the outfit. I'm going to file a lawsuit if management continues to avoid my calls. This is a final notice. Additionally, please restock the cards. I suspect they were removed so you could discourage my reports. I'm a mouse. Fuck you! Someone's taking out light bulbs. I mean, just everywhere. The guests are getting increasingly angry about flipping switches only to have nothing happen. When are we getting some new DVDs in the common room? I'm not complaining because they're old movies, just that plenty are scratched and don't play all the way through. What's the ETA on that coffee maker? The vending machines on the third floor in the guest area are constantly unplugged, and the money slots are often jammed with suggestion cards. I don't even know what these cards are talking about. We need more cards again. Try to find Frank. I'll give you clues about Frank. Okay? Clue number 1. It's called. Clue number 2. It's what? We need another coat of paint on the south gate. Are you doing anything about this clown? Clue number 3. Flush. The hot dog cart is still next to the water slide, and there have been 2 more incidents involving children getting sick halfway through the pipe. This is really reflecting poorly on the resort. I don't think you're looking for Frank. Hey, I don't want to be a dick, but seriously, where are the cards? This box is pointless. I keep sinking into the floor. Maybe it's just that I feel like it. I can't get any rest because there's too much to do. Every time I lie down, guests keep asking me if I'm okay. I can't get my head off. I can't get my head off. I can't get my head off. You know that last card? It was my real head. I forgot. Sticky to my sores. There are sores. All I have is sores. The cost is breathing. And if I don't match his movements, I can't get near. Fuck! I keep locking the gates, but someone keeps opening them again. Please tell them to stop doing that because it lets everyone out again, and I feel that's counterproductive. Oh my god, they found Frank and they're going to blame me. Please, please advise. Frank's face was like a bad-looking plate of mashed potatoes when you pulled him out. When I laughed, no one looked at me. Even the people with faces, which is odd. I have to think of what to do. I know, hang on. I'm not sure if the suggestion box is the right place for this, but security isn't doing much about my complaint. Over the last couple of days, I've been circling the resort and counting the number of staffers. As far as I can tell, there are more mascots on the grounds than we have on payroll. Security says it doesn't make sense, but I think we have 1 extra. Please help. Costumes are heavy. People inside. There's no hope for
Hello, no one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.